Hey guys, my house is a complete disaster. We had a bunch of guests over, our family, and all the kids were just playing and going crazy and just having so much fun. So it's definitely destroyed, and I'm just going through and trying to clean as much as I can. I'm not going to be deep cleaning anything just because there's so much stuff like out and all the toys are everywhere. So I'm just going to be doing my best to pick up everything, throw away all the trash, and just get everything kind of organized. So the first thing I'm doing is just trying to get all the couches together, fold all the blankets. My kids love to freaking jump off the windowsill and dive onto the pillows and the cushions. So 90% of the time the cushions are on the floor, so I have to vacuum all the time just to make sure there's no dog hair on them. But you know, you got kids, that's just what it is. And if you watched one of my older videos, I did a KonMari of my, I know, I'm just getting it right there, but I did a KonMari video on my whole kids' room toys situation, and it's seriously, all of that, it's just, I have to redo everything basically, because every single toy got taken out, and all the little toys are completely messed up together. So right now I'm just throwing them all in one of the baskets that we have because I don't have time to go through it right now. I just have to work on like the hot zones and all the clothes that's just everywhere. So what I'm doing is just making a couple different piles. On the chair I have stuff that's clean. So it's freezing here in Utah and we've been wearing our snowsuits and stuff, the kids have, and for some reason, I don't know, it's probably me, but when everyone gets home, they just take all their stuff off and just throw it everywhere. So there's puffy coats and snow boots and just like beanies everywhere. So, you know, I'm just trying to separate the dirty and the clean, and then just try and put away some of the winter stuff in our hall closet. Must be getting old because I cannot tell you how much I love my freaking vacuum. It's a Shark and it works so well. Like if you have pets, get a Shark because it doesn't clog. It gets the hair so well. Like I used to have a Husky and that freaking dog shed so much hair, but this vacuum can literally handle it, and all the lights, and it you can see like where the hair's at, and you can lift it and separate all of the different parts of the vacuum to get like different areas. Like on the stairs, it's really easy to vacuum the stairs, and there's a couch attachment which is so amazing for pet hair on your couches. So our landlord recently had to replace the vanity and redid the flooring, and it's actually really pretty, and they're gonna come and paint I think this week, but there's no drawers in the vanity, so I have to figure out a little situation down there because everything just gets bunched up on the top, and like I have bins but they just get stacked on top of each other. So I'm probably gonna be doing one of those in my future videos, is trying to organized underneath the vanity in the kids/guest bathroom. So I'm just cleaning off the mirror. I know I said I wasn't going to deep clean, but it was driving me crazy. There's like freaking toothpaste splatters from my kids brushing their teeth. So I'm just using my DIY natural cleaner, and it works really well for non-streaking, for, that sounds weird, it just, there's no streaks on the glass and mirrors. And then I'm just wiping down the faucets with my natural cleaner, and I get caught up doing stuff like this, and I wasn't planning on cleaning the sink because I had so much to do. So if you have a lot of clutter and a lot of like stuff to pick up, don't deep clean, like just wait, because once you get all this stuff out, then you can go. See, I'm just going on a tangent here, even though I'm wasting my time. My Mastiff had puppies, and the room is such a disaster because the whole birthing process took like 12 hours, and my fiance wasn't even here with me, so it was just crazy, and everything is a disaster in here. Do you guys want to see the puppies?
I want to see puppies. Oh, dirty bus.
They're so cute.
It's shooting puppies here.
There's 9 puppies.
Yeah, 9 puppies. 9 puppies.
So my room is super crowded. In order to build that big birthing box for her, we had to completely move our bed. We have a huge king size bed all the way up to the closet. So you can't even walk to get to the closet. You have to jump on the bed to go around to our closet. So it's just like a hot mess, but it worked out because I have to check on the puppies all night, and it's nice just like being able to roll over and look at them and make sure they're good instead of having to like go down to the laundry room where we were originally going to put them. So this is just temporary, but I have to make the bed on the bed because there's literally no room for me to stand. And honestly, I cannot stop thinking about selling our bed and our bedroom set and getting all new duvet covers and a new like lower minimalist type bed, because our room is just so small for our furniture, and we want to like kind of go more minimalist, you know what I mean? So I just can't stop thinking about it, but I've just been so busy that I feel like I don't have time to list everything, and I just don't know like where to list it. I don't know, probably Craigslist, but yeah, I'm just really like looking into completely changing our whole house over time to be more minimalist and just not cluttered, because look at everything is just so jam-packed. I know that we don't have a lot of space, but I need to get rid of like so much stuff. Hanging clothes in our closet has been like a nightmare since we've moved our bed, so I've been so lazy. I've just been throwing it on the freaking dresser. It's not okay, but this is only temporary. The puppies are only gonna be here for like 8 weeks, so for the time being I just gotta stick with it and, you know, do what I gotta do. All right, you guys, I'm done. What are you doing? Why are your eyes so small? All All right, you guys, I'm finally done, and it looks so much better.
Bloopers.
I got Brandon in the background. Okay. All right, you guys, thanks for watching my video. I finally finished everything, and it looks so much better. It's just been crazy at my house with the puppies and everyone visiting, so it's nice to just get some of the stuff picked up, and we'll do another deep cleaning. We'll do another deep cleaning video later, but that's as good as it's gonna be. If you guys want more videos like this, subscribe to my channel.